Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice Language and Input. Just mark it, and if you'd like to change the device's language, click on Language and Region. Tap on Add Language then, and here you've got all list of languages. Now pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, Portuguese. Tap on Change to make it a default language. And as you can see now, the whole device is in Portuguese. So you can smoothly use your phone in another language. Then whenever you would like to go back to English or maybe change language one more time, just pick on System and Input, go to Languages and Input, go to Languages, and now you can either swipe English up to make it a default language. Then you can remove unnecessary language, which in my case is Portuguese. So just tap on the more icon, remove languages, mark Portuguese, and then select remove, tap on OK to save it. And obviously you can change the language one more time to any other language that you would like to have. But I will stay with English, and this is it. So that's it. Now you can smoothly and easily change language in your Huawei Honor 9X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.